No sputum, no deep cough. Second cough is these are the cough of either COPD or asthma. You can see it is coming through the airway. Okay? COPD and asthma will have bronchial, this airway construction, so that will be okay, finding it difficult to come out. The third type of cough is from deep lung, which is difficult to do without infection of the deep lung, but let me try. Okay, can you appreciate the difference in the three cough? Okay, and it was not the COPD cough. COPD was from the airway, it was a bit different. Okay, that was the third cough from LRTI, and it will have fever or sputum production with it, third cough. Fourth cough, which I do sometime in class, and it usually is found in 30 to 50 year male with history of smoking. That is the cough from gastric reflux. When gastric reflux occurs, you feel gastritis, then you cough to relieve it. Okay? Now I am not feeling it. Tomorrow, if I will feel it, I will show it. Yeah, it is a completely. I will show it and you will recognize it is different. So, if a 30 to 50 year male or female can also have a smoking history, mostly male have this issue of smoking more. So, if they are coming and if you ask the history, do you have gastritis also? And there is this the gastric reflux history is also there, and cough is there. Then in that case, cough syrup tablet will not work. Omeprazole, pantoprazole, all those will work, or changing the diet lifestyle will work. Okay, that is the fourth cough, gastritis cough. The fifth type of cough is when there is dribbling of a nasal secretion on the posterior nasopharynx part. When you have allergic rhinitis and all, then there is a cough. I cannot do that without dribbling and all. No? It is difficult to do with that. And when you have excessive secretion, there is some cough. The sixth type of cough is when you are having this congestive heart failure, so the lung is full of fluid. It can also be liver failure. Liver failure will prevent the backflow, so then there is congestive heart failure. And so sometimes it is the cycle which occurs. And in that